in this picture, as you can see, we are going to do a bun with crochet hair. So let's get into it. So I'm using water and a lemon brush just so I can make sure I can comb through my hair and get some of the tangles out. It'll be easier for me to manage. So I'm going to be using jam and got to be spiking glue just to mold my hair and get it as sleek as possible. So again, in this process, I'm using the jam and the spiking glue to mold my hair. So you're just gonna repeat these steps just to get your hair as sleek as you want it, and especially for natural hair, just to get it to lay down, because I didn't like pre-straighten my hair or none of that, as you can see. So I'm just gonna keep on adding the got to be spiking glue and the gem. Next, I'm gonna add my scarf so I can lay it on my head, let my hair dry, and hopefully it comes out as sleek as I want it. So now I have a hair scrunchie and the Free Tress Water Wave, and that's what I'm going to use to make my ponytail. And as you can see, I'm just going to loop around the hair just like you do if you were crocheting. Just loop it around. Now you can loop it around twice just to make sure that the hair stays in place on the little scrunchie, where you don't have to worry about when you brush your hair out, it doesn't slip out. But I didn't do it, but I would recommend that you double loop it. Now I'm just going to separate the hair just to give it a full look, and I'm going to play with it before I apply it on. Now ladies, you can add more hair if you want. I didn't add that much hair onto my ponytail because, as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around. And I just want to make sure my actual ponytail is covered. So I'm going to wrap the hair around, make sure everything is intact, make sure my ponytail is covered, then I'll apply my bobby pins. And there you go, a natural looking ponytail or a natural bun with the crochet hair. Make sure you click like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.